In this video, I will tell you how you can do open source contribution using GitHub's own editor. So first step is to create a fork of the repository. Creating a fork means creating the same copy of the repository in your own GitHub account. So for that you need to open the repository, then click here fork, then create a new fork and give it any name. For example, I will give it a name payload XYZ. You can give it any name and simply click on create fork. Now you can see that in my GitHub account, that is deepsar25, a copy of that repository has came. You can't make changes directly in the main repository, so first thing is used to create the copy of that repository, that is forking the repository. Now you can see all the code present here. Now let us say I want to make changes in the docs, so I will open that. Then I will open any of the folder, for example admin, then this file. Now let us suppose say I want to make changes in this file. So first I will click on the code and I want to make some changes here. So for that you need to click on this pencil icon with a pop-up, edit this file, and click here, and you can write anything. For example, I will write anything, XYZ, A, B, C, D. So let us suppose say I have made this change. You can do any change that you want, and the next step is to commit the changes. So simply click here commit changes, and here you have to write a commit message, that is you have to tell in brief what changes you have done. Since I am showing you a demo of that contribution, I will write demo of contribution. I have written this message, and you can here further add any optional description here. So I will not write anything here, it is optional, and I will click on commit changes. Now a pull request button will come, and for that you have to open the main repository, that is the payload XYZ, and here you can see a commit message has been come. The branch is one commit head. Simply click on there, and here you can see a pop-up has came, create a pull request. So this is the main thing you have to do. What you did earlier is you did a change in the repository. Now you want the maintainer of that repository to accept that in the main branch. For that you have to create a pull request. So simply click on pull request. Same, you have to write anything. For example, title, I will keep the same title, and here you can write anything, any comment. I will not write anything here, and simply click on create pull request. I am not creating a pull request because I have not made any changes in the file. So after you create a pull request, a pop-up will come to the maintainer of the repository that XYZ person has done some contribution here, and if that contribution is up to the mark, the merger will merge it to the main branch and your contribution is successful. So this is the simplest way how you can contribute.